Hello guys and welcome back to iMovie channel. Sometimes it's quite frustrating for users to encounter that iPhone keeps restarting all the time, especially when they need to use it urgently. The issue can be caused by various reasons, however, let us check how to fix iPhone that keeps restarting in different ways in today's review. Let's dive in it right now. First and foremost, let's dwell on the issue itself. Actually, would like to ponder the question, how does my iPhone keeps restarting all the time? Firstly, your iPhone is too cold. iPhone will shut down when the temperature is too low. Faulty apps installed. The app you've installed caused a system crash and your iPhone keeps restarting all the time. Insufficient storage. A lack of available storage can disturb the iPhone system and it restarts randomly. Battery issues. Your iPhone battery cannot make it run normally. It causes iPhone boot loop all the time. Last but not least, hardware damage. Your iPhone has suffered from a severe drop or water exposure and has undergone internal damage. Now let's proceed to the sufficient tips how you can actually try to fix this issue. For the first tip, we'll try to force restart our iPhone. Force restarting iPhone can refresh your system and resolve software issues that might be causing the exact problem. Besides, this method is quick and simple without any data loss. For iPhone end and later models, please operate according to my review. For other generations, please refer to the link that is provided right in the video description. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears right on the screen. Then keep holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. For the second method, try to reinsert your SIM card. Sometimes connection issues, namely mobile data and cellular services, can cause your iPhone keep restarting. Removing and reinserting the SIM card can refresh the phone's connection to the cellular network. Firstly, insert a SIM card ejector tool into the hole next to the SIM tray. Secondly, remove the SIM card, clean it carefully, and put it back in the SIM tray. Thirdly, push the tray back into the phone. Now you can refresh your phone's cellular connection. Sometimes wrong app will cause your iPhone keeps restarting. In case if you recently downloaded an app and you've noticed that the issue started after this action, you can just remove these faulty apps and resolve your problem. For that, simply take a look at recently downloaded apps and find the faulty ones. Next, in order to delete the app, press and hold its icon in the app library. Now, choose Delete App option and then click on Delete again to confirm your action. However, if you have tried all the methods mentioned above but still failed to fix your iPhone, well, the best way is to use an iOS system repair tool that is called NFX to repair iOS system deeply. NFX is a powerful tool for fixing iOS related issues including iPhone keep restarting, black, white, blue screens, stuck on Apple logo, touchscreen not working, and many others. Moreover, it requires a few clicks to resolve problems and no technology at all. Now let us show you how it actually works. First and foremost, download the application right via the link in the description and launch it once the procedure is completed. In the pop-up window, find and select System Repair option. Next, connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac computer via USB or Type-C cable. When the utility recognizes your iDevice, select Device Bug and click on Start Now option. Then 3 repair modes will be appeared on the screen, and let's go with the standard repair first. Now you need to download the firmware for your iPhone. In this step, NFX will recommend an appropriate firmware package to complete the repair process successfully. Then click on the Download button. When the downloaded is finished, click on Start Standard Repair button to start the repairing process. Please keep keep your device connected during the whole procedure. Once everything is done, you will see a repair completed message right on your computer. Afterwards, your device will restart automatically. And now your iPhone's issue is fixed instantly after restarting it. And here you go, just so simple as that. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, like this review and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching guys and see you soon. Peace.